Hello friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and in today's video I am going to be doing a lot of decluttering because our home is under contract now, like I've said in the previous video. So I'm starting to get ready to pack everything up and we're going to put a lot of it in storage and then move into my mom's home. So what I decided to do, because we are going to be moving across the country, was I am switching out all of my totes. So currently my Christmas decor and like fall decor, Easter, spring, all that is all in color coded totes, but those totes aren't the sturdiest and the lids don't always stay on. So I had like green for Christmas, burgundy for fall and Halloween and things like that, but I love that they're color coded and they're super easy, and I can just tell my husband, hey, go get all the green ones for Christmas, or hey, go get all the burgundy ones for fall and Halloween. But because they aren't that sturdy and the lids don't stay on, and actually when my husband took the Christmas totes down after I put all the Christmas decor away, one of the lids actually cracked, so they're not the best. And because we are moving across the country, eventually we do have our own like cargo trailer that we're gonna be filling with all of our stuff to take down. I decided that I wanted to go with the Costco totes. They're a lot more sturdier. The lids actually click on. And sorry if I'm like not in focus. I just realized I was a little bit blurry there. But they actually like click on, and then the totes kind of like sit in each other, like where there's like a lip where they kind of like stack together and like won't tip as easily, I feel like. So that's my plan. I'm going to switch all of my decor bins over to the Costco bins, and then also when I start packing up the kitchen and stuff like that, I'm also going to be using those bins, I think, just because I'm just nervous about the boxes, like breaking my stuff and things like that, or our stuff I should say, it's not just mine. So yeah, going across the country, it's gonna be, I mean, roads can be bumpy and things like that, so I just don't want anything to break. So that is the plan, switching everything over to the Costco totes. I know it's kind of expensive, but I do know the Costco totes will go on sale soon. They usually go on sale around $8.99 here in Canada where we live at some point in the spring. So I'm hoping that even if I don't get everything into totes right away, we will have a storage unit and I can pack everything in boxes for now and then start switching everything over to the bins before we move. That's the plan. Anyways, I don't know, it's a lot, but yeah, I just think it would be better. And then once we get to Nova Scotia, I can always sell the bins that we don't plan on keeping, that we don't use for decor and stuff like that. So anyways, in today's video, I am going to be clearing out, I wouldn't call it a crawl space. It's more of like the space underneath the stairs, but I can almost stand up in there. So it's not like crawl space, but it's, I mean, I can't stand up straight up, but it just stuck my head a little bit. But it's a good little space for storage underneath our stairs, and that's currently where all of my decor is housed right now, and our Christmas trees, things like that. So I'm going to be dragging all of that stuff out and then switching over the bins, and then instead of putting it all back in there, because I know during the inspection they'll want to check underneath the stairs because our front door is there. I know in our inspection that they did check under there to see if there was a leak by the front door, which there wasn't, thankfully, but I know the inspector will probably want to look again, or their inspector will want to look just to make sure. So I'm not putting the stuff back in there. So what I'm doing is I'm going to stack it to the side in we have a laundry room, but there's one half is like the utility room with laundry, hot water tank, furnace, things like that, and then the other half is just like storage. Like it's basically like, it could be another bedroom, but you'd have to walk through that bedroom to get to the laundry. Anyways, so we just use it for storage. And yeah, so I'm just gonna stack them in there, and that's kind of where I'm gonna put them for now, so that when they do their inspection, it's a little bit easier for them. They don't have to move things or anything like that. So yeah, anyways, let's begin the process of switching all these bins over. And
hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.